नजरें मिली दिल धड़का मेरी धड़कन ने कहा लव यू राजा नजरें मिली दिल धड़का मेरी धड़कन ने कहा लव यू राजा
जादू कोई जाने लगा मुझको मजा आने लगा बस में नहीं है अरमां मुझे सीने से लगा इतनी आजा
Hi, this is Sanjay Kapoor and watch me on Yo India TV.
Welcome to Bay Area and to Yo India TV. And how is your overall experience this time?
It's been absolutely wonderful. This kind of love and appreciation that I got. It's been excellent.
देखा दोबारा तो पागल हो गया जादू का तेरे ये कायल हो गया देखा तुझे दिल ये दिल बेकाबू हो गया बेकाबू हो गया
So Sanjay ji, welcome to this beautiful party.
Thank you,
dear
thank you
friend.
so much.
And it is really a blessing to have you in the Bay Area.
Thank
so
you,
because
thank
my question will be like we heard a lot about Madhuri Dixit back in the day when you did Raja to now when you did your Fame Game. But we are also fan of your other movies like when you were with Sushmita doing Dilbar and stuff and then in Darna Mana Hai तो वो भी बहुत अच्छी मूवीज थी हमने काफ़ी देखी और काफ़ी अप्रिशिएट किया सो वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर सम मेमोरीज विद सुष्मिता सेन एंड सम एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम डरना मना है
With her, I did a movie called Sirif Tum, which I just sang the song for Akaji. That was the title song. There was Priya Gill, she was the heroine. Well, the experience was great, absolutely. Very, very talented, beautiful woman. We did the song Dilbar, which was a huge success. Shot it in Houston. वो इतना बड़ा हिट था कि 20 साल के बाद या जब रीमिक्स अभी रिसेंटली हुआ है जब अभी नोरा ने गाया कि that song has made Nora into a superstar also.
पास तू क्यों दूर है ये इश्क का जो फितूर है नशे में दिल तेरे चूर है
So मतलब कि had a great experience working with her. Great film to be part of for all three of us. Great music, great subject. इतना खूबसूरत सब्जेक्ट बहुत ही कम फिल्म में बनती है जैसे सिर्फ तुम थी तो आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ दैट फिल्म.
So we have lately seen you on OTT and your Fame Game and the Lust Stories and all those Gone Game, all these big shows you are rocking now in the post-COVID era as well. So how do you see the difference from the traditional Raja and when you were doing Darna Mana and those great movies versus now?
Well, it's a different, not only for me, for the whole world. OTT is here to stay. It's a content-driven thing. And it's here for the whole world today. A lot of big films have been coming on Netflix and Amazon and different platforms. And I'm glad that in a very small way, even I'm part of it. And fortunately, I was fortunate that I started much earlier than a lot of other people. I started it way back in 2016, 17. So yeah, it feels good. And OTT has given me a lot of love and appreciation. So I'm just waiting to do some more good work here. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है पर लोगों के लिए मेरी सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट है सुपरस्टार अनामिका आनंद का हस्बैंड होना.
His wife is a superstar and he's linked to her and he's a producer who's working with her and everything. He's also playing with a lot of demons inside him and as the story unfolds you get to see those different shades of him.
फिल्म तो तुम्हारी वजह से चलने वाली है. तुम स्टार हो, मैं तो बस एक ऑफिस बॉय हूँ.
It's been 48 hours since the disappearance of the legendary actress Anamika Anand.
Each and every minute is critical here. उनके डिसअपीयरेंस के पहले आप लोगों के लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, I want to know everything. शारीरिक संबंध कैसे हैं आपके?
नागपुर के मिडिल क्लास लड़के की ड्रीम गर्ल थी वो, शादी का चांस मिल गया। क्या लगता है कैसे होंगे रिलेशन?
After all, स्टारडम भी एक गेम है।
And how's your chemistry with Madhuri then and now?
Well, it's the same. It's wonderful. It was wonderful then. It's been wonderful now. Nothing has changed. She's as gracious and as wonderful a person that she was 27 years back. She's not changed. The only change I keep on telling her is that she's looking more beautiful now.
अखियां मिलाए कभी अखियां चुराए क्या मैंने किया जादू अखियां मिलाए कभी अखियां चुराए क्या मैंने किया जादू कभी घबराए कभी गले लग जाए तेरा खुद पे नहीं काबू बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू बिना पायल के ही बजे घुंघरू हो जरा फिर से कहना
To a family, you have a dynasty that is ruling Bollywood. So there must be a lot of pressure within the family and from outside, being a star kid, star performer, and the generations are, rocking, including your cousin Prithvi Raj Kapoor's generation. How do you take that, all that heat?
Well, that's part of it. It comes with the, when you join this beautiful industry, this is part of it. You need to work harder. Pressures are there in every job. Being an actor, being, when you come from a certain family, your responsibility increases. So you have to, you don't have to be an actor in front of the screen. You have to be a role model too. And that's what our whole family is trying to be.
What fresh apples यार?
नहीं खाना मत।
क्यों क्या हुआ?
वो मैं खाना बना रही हूँ इसीलिए। संजय ये कहाँ से मिला तुम्हें?
अरे रिलैक्स डार्लिंग, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग?
सेब खाने से मना किया था ना मैंने।
लेकिन क्यों?
Well, I just want to tell you, okay, in life there'll be hurdles, but always see your glass as half full. Never see it as half empty.
Very optimistic attitude, and we look forward to greater actions from your side as an actor, as a director, as a filmmaker. You're a multi-faceted personality. So appreciate that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate that.